Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude. Now, in today's video, we're gonna do a little technical analysis. I got 3 bangers on the list today. 2 of them are not necessarily long-term holds, although you can hold them for anywhere between 3 to 6 months. Sell them, get your money, and get out. Because my main goal is to get you guys profits. That's what it's all about. But that number 3 stock on the list, which happens to be a real estate investment trust, now that right there can potentially be a long-term hold because it's severely undervalued and it pays a fat dividend. So if I were you, I would stay tuned. Holla at your boy. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. In this video, I got 3 bangers that deserve your immediate attention. So without further ado, let's get right to the point. The first company on the list goes by the name of API Group Corporation, ticker symbol APG. Now, right now, this stock is trading at only $18.89 per share. Now, the first thing that jumps out at me is that this stock has been consistently rising since about mid-July of last year. And as you can see, it's been slowly grinding higher until it hits that resistance line, and then it falls, and then it hits that line of support, which is this blue cyan line. And as you can see, it's been slowly grinding higher. Now, out of the 3 stocks that I have, I would say that this one is the one that is ready to be bought right now. Now, as I said, the price currently is trading at $18.89. But they have a $21.80 price target. So that gives you a little room to grow from where you buy to potentially where they feel that the analysts feel that the stock will end up at. And I believe this stock will continue to rise as long as it doesn't break out of this pattern. Because I've seen this movie a whole lot of times, and it always ends the same way when I see this upward trending pattern. It always ends in the higher prices. As long as that stock doesn't fall out of this channel, this can continue to grind slowly ahead for the next 6 months to a year or beyond. And what I'm noticing right off the bat is that it has excellent, and I do mean excellent, volume that came in on Friday. The average volume is a little over 1 million shares traded per day. But on Friday, they traded 2.5 million shares bought and or sold on Friday. So I think API Group, ticker symbol APG, deserves your immediate attention. Second stock on the list goes by the name of Urban Tea Incorporated, ticker symbol MYT. Now, MYT comes in at only $3.44 per share. Oh my goodness. A lot of people ask about cheap stocks because we all like to try to buy low and sell high, and try to buy the lowest price and possibly get in on what we feel a stock will continue to rise. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, MYT fits the bill in what you're looking for, because at only $3.44 a share, this could possibly be your low price banger that could churn higher. Now, what I'm looking at right off the bat that catches my eye is the fact that the RSI indicator, which stands for Relative Strength Index, it comes in at 78.68. Now, for those that don't know, anything registered in this RSI over 70 is considered overbought. In other words, right now the price is kind of overextended and it's a little high. So my suggestion to you all is to wait on MYT, Urban T Incorporated. Wait until it pulls back and the price comes down a little bit. Now, if I had to guess, I would say that if you could possibly wait until this price comes down anywhere between $3 and maybe $2.90 in price, that'll be an excellent point of entry. So if you can wait until it comes down around $3, and the way it looks like it's running into some resistance as of Friday, so it looks like within the next 2, maybe 3 days, this stock is going to come back and come down and get cheaper for you guys. So my suggestion to you is I wouldn't pay any more than $3.10 per share for this stock because it's a little bit overextended. Now, one thing I noticed also is that we had some heavy volume, heavy buying came in on Friday. The average volume traded in this stock is 950,000 per day, roughly. But on Friday, it traded over 2 million. So that lets me know that it's going up. I don't know when. I don't know exactly how much, but I do know that it's going higher. So my advice to you once again is to wait until you catch this on a couple of down days. Let it settle in, and once it stops falling, the very next up day after those couple down days, that should get you in at a much better price. Because what I see from this chart, when this thing breaks price wise, when this stock breaks over $4, maybe over $4.10, once it breaks that level of resistance ahead and closes over $4.10, this gonna go. I'm telling you right now, this gonna go. I don't know where it's gonna stop, when it go, but I'm telling you that if it breaks over 410 and closes over 410, that this has an excellent, and I mean excellent, chance of going up to near $8 before you run into your next major level of resistance. So right now it's trading at 344, and if you take my advice and wait until this stock price pulls back, because it's a little bit overextended, if you can wait until it pulls back around the 310, possibly even the $3 mark, that'll be an excellent entrance for you to get in. And if it breaks over $4.10 and closes over that price, the next level of resistance is way up right around $8 per share. So that right there lets me know that if you grab you some shares of this now and you hold on to it, you got an excellent chance of doubling your money. Now, once again, like I always say, I am not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. So anything that you hear on this channel or any other channel, make sure that you do your own due diligence and do your own research. Because what I'm telling you is what I feel. I wish I could guarantee you, but I can't. But what I do know is that what I usually feel usually makes a lot of money. Can't promise you, but do your own research. But if it was me, which it is not, but if I were you, I would wait until this price gets down around 310, possibly as low as $3. After a couple of down days, let it settle in. Then once it starts to go green and turns higher, grab yourself some shares of Urban T Incorporated, because this one will definitely go higher. Coming in at number 3 on my list is a real estate investment trust by the name of AG Mortgage Investment Trust Incorporated, ticker symbol MYT MYTT. Now, anybody that's been listening and watching this channel, you know how I feel about them real estate investment trusts. You know how I feel about the REITs, because the way that the REITs are set up is that they must, by law, give you as a shareholder 90% of their yearly revenue by law. So they pay you for owning this company 90% of their revenue to you as a shareholder. And check this out. The dividend is paid quarterly, which is every 3 months. The dividend, oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, AG Mortgage Investment Trust dividend comes in at a whopping, that's the only word that comes to mind, whopping, at a whopping 12.77% dividend paid to you quarterly. So what better thing to do than to invest in a company that's going to pay you to own it? And this right here, this company is severely undervalued. And from what I've read and from what I've found out doing my research, as I always suggest to you to do, is that we have a lot of call buying option activity that's coming into MITT, AG Mortgage Investment Trust Incorporated. So a lot of people who are smarter than you and a lot of people who are smarter than me feel that this company is undervalued because they're buying call options on this company. Now, me personally, from what I can see of this chart, once this price breaks out above, I would say, breaks out above the $4.60 mark, once it clears that $4.60 line of resistance, this thing has plenty of room to go upwards of $7, probably to the $8 price range. So right now it's trading under 4. And this one, if you would just give it just a week and let the price come down a little, let it settle in, just like on the last stock, let that price come down a little bit, grab you some shares, or better yet, grab you an option contract. Now, I'm looking at, for my own trading account, I'm looking at going out to the 21st of May as far as the expiration date, and I'm looking at the $4.50 call option that expires May 21, 2021. They're right around $45 to $50 in price. That would be an excellent way. That would be a cheaper way to invest in AG Mortgage Investment Trust. You can get shares for as little as $3.76, or you can take that money and get you a call option that only costs you anywhere from $40 to $50 per contract, and one contract equals 100 shares. So buying a call option will give you an opportunity to leverage your money and multiply your gains. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude, and I just gave you 3 bangers for you to check out and do your own due diligence on. And I hope that you enjoyed this channel. And if this happens to be the first time that you're coming across this channel, I ask that you please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. That way when the next video comes out, you will be alerted and you won't miss a thing. And if you like what you heard, make sure that you leave your boy a comment on the bottom of the page. Let me know what you feel. Leave me the ticker symbols of your bangers. Possibly I could check them out myself and may even do a video off of your recommendations. You never know. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take your time, do your research, and I'll holler at you later. Stock Dude.